Hello, how are you today? Hi guys, I hope you are cool, you are fine, you are okay, you are safe. This is Fashion Star Gold. So in today's teaching, I want you to look at this pocket very well. I want to show you how to cut this outside pocket. So I'll show you the cutting. So sit back and watch. Let's get started. First of all, I've already cut my circle flare. This is the center of the flare, the center front. So I want to measure on the bust span measurement. I'm using the bust span measurement, which is 4.5 inches. So I'll measure 4.5 inches here. I'll take the measurement here. This is the center of the circle flare skirt. So I'm taking 4.5 measurement, the bust point for my customer. Then I'll come here and measure 7 or 7.5. Then I'll then connect from the 4.5 inches to the 7.5 here. So this is the pocket. Is 14 inches length and 11.5 inches width. So I'll place it like this underneath. This center here, it will not pass 2 inches, maybe 2 inches or 1.5 inch at the center. So I put it this way. It has to match with the edge of this circle flare. So it's matching now. This is the flare. The place I mark, I'm going to cut it off. The two sides. Cutting the two sides off. This is how the center flare look like. That's the pocket. So here I will align it, make sure that it's aligned. I will bring out 2 pieces now, 1 and 2. 1, 2. Remember that you fold this one into 4. I will then cut the 2. It has to be the same. So this is it. This is the pocket. You bring it out. This one is for one side, this other one is for another side. Place it like this and join. So from here, so like this to the end. After sewing it, you open it and top stitch. Open it and top stitch. So I'm going to show it to you. I have to use the machine to sew it. So when I finish, I'll show you how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. I will show you step by steps. So this is the first stage. The first stage is the cutting. The next thing is the joining. How you are going to join it. It's very, very easy. As I said, you look at this one. When you join it, see how it was being top stitch. You sew it this way. You sew it like this. Close it. That's the pocket. This is it. After joining it, you don't allow it to be so open like this. You don't allow it to be so open to this place. You will now use like, okay, this is 2 inches. You close it, stitch it to the main material. Close it. Don't allow the pocket to be too open. If it is too open, something can remove. So just measure 2 inches. Sew it here. So I'm going to show it to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the outcome of the pocket, the front pocket. I have shown you how to cut it and how to sew it. So go and sew your own. Post it. Leave a comment at the comment section. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe to my channel